Slow but steady, one day at a time. That is how Greater Union Baptist Church details their rise from the ashes. As News 10's Elise Corville explains, the church's community hoped they would be further along by now, but they are grateful for the rebuilding position they are in.
The pandemic slowed, almost halting the rebuilding process, but a member of the congregation here at Greater Union says the construction is back on track.
The initial timetable was for last month, October, but due to the pandemic as well as a lot of the rainy days that we received, the workers were not able to do a lot of things, so it kind of pushed us back.
From losing their church of over 100 years at the hands of an arsonist to enduring a global pandemic, Cheryl Richard says for 2 years Greater Union has been met with ebbs and flows.
With COVID, the supplies were hindered in order the suppliers weren't able to get the materials, and then once they did get them, it was a matter of finding ways to get it to us.
In April 2019, 21-year-old Holden Matthews set fire to Greater Union, along with 2 other predominantly African-American churches.
What the fire taught us, that number one, the building was just the structure, but the true fire is in our hearts.
Richard says although the rebuilding process has been slow, they are in capable hands of their construction crew from Baton Rouge.
They are qualified to do the work.
She tells News 10 recovery would not have been possible without support. She says help came from all 50 states and across the world.
We are blessed and thankful for the generous donations that we received from people right here in the community, across the state, across the nation, to allow us the opportunity to be able to rebuild.
Another loss Greater Union suffered was the death of their pastor, Reverend Harry Richard. Now, Cheryl Richard tells me they are awaiting the appointment of their next pastor, who will lead them into their new church. Reporting in Opelousas, Elise Corville, KLFY News 10.